In this short video, we will explore deeper into the APF Expert Stock Screener, what the numbers mean, and go through a few examples of how traders employ this screener to help their trading. The APF Stock Screener is composed of two main pillars. The first is fundamental analysis, where it tells traders how under or overvalued a stock is. The other equally important pillar is the technical analysis. It tells traders what the Ichimoku system is saying about market momentum. For fundamental analysis, let's understand how the numbers are derived by going through one example. Assume that stock A is listed on the stock exchange, and its share price closed at $1. Analyst X has a target price of $1.40, Analyst Y has a share price of $1.80, while Analyst Z has a share price of 50 cents. Therefore, the consensus, or average target price, is $1.23. As such, stock A has 23% upside, based on its close price. In other words, it is 23% undervalued. This information is tabulated under the column, Fair Value Deviation. The basis of the technical analysis is based on a trend-following indicator, called Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. Although it is not necessary to know the indicator to use the Expert Stock Screener, we highly recommend that you go through the basics of this powerful indicator. We have put together a comprehensive basic learning of the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo at this URL. The basic learning is complimentary and totally free of charge. Once again, we highly recommend that you spend some time to understand this powerful indicator. This is an example of a bullish momentum of the Ichimoku. And this is an example of a bearish momentum. Instead of looking at a few hundred charts every week, we quantified the Ichimoku into a percentage, so that traders can easily screen for momentum plays. In this short video, we will show a few examples of how traders use the APF Expert Stock Screener. The first example is to seek out momentum plays. The criteria is for the monthly, weekly, and daily technical momentum to be greater than 50%. We also want the fair value deviation to be positive, that is to say undervalued. Some traders are more concerned with seeking out undervalued stocks. In this case, the trader will sort fair value deviation from largest to smallest. Some traders combine both fundamental and technical analysis, while others only look at certain sectors. Some will filter for penny stocks, and combine it with momentum criteria. There are many ways to use this screener. You can be creative and use it to suit your style. In Ichimoku, this is called the Kijin-sen, or equilibrium line. When prices are far from this equilibrium line, they tend to subsequently gravitate towards it. We also tabulate this in the screener, for your convenience. So how do we use this? The number is calculated as the price's deviation from the Kijin-sen. When prices are above the Kijin-sen, the number is therefore positive. When prices are very far from the Kijin-sen, the positive number is large. What this means to the trader is, the risk-reward of this trade entry is not ideal, as the price is far from equilibrium. This number is tabulated under the risk column. Thank you. This is the end. of the short video guide to APF Expert Stock Screener. Feel free to direct any queries and questions to screener@apftrading.com.